Comb your hair. Arrange everything. Put it in the right place. Come inside. Wash your hands. Wash your face. Sit here. Everyone, come inside. Go outside. Stand in front of me. Stand beside him. Don't sit there. Follow me. Don't follow me. Sit beside me. Do you have time? Do me a favor. Come with me. I'm thirsty. I'm feeling sleepy. I have work. I want that. I don't want that. I'm hungry. How much does this cost? This is very expensive. This is cheap. How much more time do you need? When will you come? When should we leave? Good night, everyone. Where is your key? What time is it? Have a great day. Go home safely. Let's meet again tomorrow. Keep going till the end. Let's do it together. I am proud of you. Everything will be fine. You can achieve this. Don't give up. Pay attention. Congratulations. Good luck.